How to solve word problems using block model approach involving equal quantities. Example 1. Mr. Go had an equal number of yellow and pink tulips. He sold 45 pink tulips. Then there were 4 times as many yellow tulips as pink tulips left. How many tulips did he have at first? Based on the first sentence, we have an equal number of yellow and pink tulips. Then Mr. Ko sold 45 pink tulips. As a result, the remaining yellow tulips is 4 times as many pink tulips left. So here we draw 4 blocks for yellow. As you can see, 45 is equivalent to 3 blocks or 3 units. And we are asked to give the total number of yellow and pink tulips that Mr. Go had at first. Now, if 45 is equivalent to 3 units, then how to find the number of tulips per unit? Yes, you're right. You divide 45 by 3. And the answer is 15. It follows that each smaller block is 15. What is now the answer? How many yellow and pink tulips that Mr. Go had at first? Can you give me your answer? Yes, you're right. Mr. Go had 120 yellow and pink tulips at the start. Do you know that there are many ways to get 120? I can show you 4 ways. First, you may multiply 15 by 4, add 15, and 45. Or 15 times 4, then double it. Third, you may multiply 15 by 5, then add 45. And the last, you may multiply 15 by 8. Example 2. Jane had an equal number of blue and green pencils for sale. She sold 28 blue pencils. Then there were 5 times as many green pencils as blue pencils left. How many green pencils did she have at first? Based on the first sentence, Jane had an equal number of blue and green pencils. So we draw 2 blocks, equal blocks for blue and green pencils. Then she sold 28 blue pencils. After that, the remaining green pencils is equal to 5 times the remaining blue pencil. So for green, we will draw 5 blocks. Each block is as big as the remaining blue pencil. And we are asked to give the number of green pencils that Jane had at first. Based on our illustration, 28, the number of blue pencils sold is equal to 4 blocks or 4 units. To find the value of 1 unit, we simply divide 28 by 4 and we get 7. This means that each remaining block is equivalent to 7. Now we can give the answer as to the number of green pencils that Jane had at first. Jane had, yes, 35 green pencils at the start. For your exercises, you may pause the video and answer these on your own. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Again, whatever problems we have, whether in math or in life, there is always one or more solutions that the Lord will provide. In this video, we are dealing with problems involving items of equal quantities at the start. This reminds me of God giving us equal number of hours per day, but we end up using it differently. May we use our time wisely. This is Teacher Zilla reaching out to you from Cagayan de Oro, your Pinay math teacher.